are opening one of the favorite brands of lot many around me, because this is Lala Parmanan and Sons, અને એમના perfumes બહુ જ famous છે worldwide, not just pan India. They are available pan India and worldwide also. તમે તમારી જે પણ ફ્રેગ્રન્સ હોય એને તમે કહેશો તો એ કરી આપશે, અને બાકી એમના પોતાના વર્ઝન્સ બી બહુ સરસ છે. This is one of them. It is experience the finest blackcurrant and Italian bergamot with a burst of royal pineapple. એટલે lemon pineapple જે fruity flavors જે specifically for this season, it is that perfume. Look at the packaging. So beautiful. So અને તમે આને, this is the perfect. So you can definitely check them out on their Instagram profile, and the guy is very famous, so he doesn't need any introduction. Lala Parmanan and Sons is always like very much famous. હમણાં જે ફેમસ થયું છે પરફ્યુમ, એનું પણ એક એમનું વર્ઝન છે. So just check out the collection. You will definitely buy one for sure.